light and playful percussion, such as a rhythm that feels like an enchanting, magical parade. The arrangement builds subtly, adding depth with warm pads and wooden clicks that mimic the sounds of a thriving rainforest. The dynamic shifts in the rhythm give the piece an uplifting energy, perfect for evoking the image of animals playfully marching through the rain. No vocals are included, allowing the listener to fully immerse in the cozy and serene atmosphere of the rainforest.